Welcome everyone to a small video presentation about the comparison of an average student's work with our coaching. I'm Shiva Sharma. We are generating a high level of student skill. How? Through our coaching. Experience of teaching 30 years in math, we found out the average student does not perform optimally in mathematics. As a result, students are struggling in math, studying in heavy pressure. Overall, they don't like the subject math. Finally, what do they gain? Processing a low percentage in math. What is our promise? Preparing the student to score at a high level. We help them out to achieve 90% and above. Success rate is very high. More than 90% of the students achieving the score 90s and above. We're focusing in two areas. Complete understanding is must. Therefore, we're teaching very thorough to understand each and every unit and chapters. Not only that, we teach them a method to solve a problem in the shortest possible time that will help the students do the test and quiz so faster than the normal students or an ordinary students. Take an example of linear function, how these things can be applied. Sketch the following formula: 45x plus 55y plus 77 equal to 0. First of all, how these students' work being done. They convert the equation into slope y-intercept format, which is y equal to negative 9 over 11x minus 7 over 5. The point of y-intercept, which is b, is equal to negative 7 over 5. Students using calculator, then they find out the value is negative 1.4. Similar way, the x-intercept, also they calculated negative 1.717. Now, we analyze how the average students do the graph. First of all, they go with the y-intercept, which is being plotted at the average spot, which is not perfectly right one. B equal to negative 1.4. Similar way, x-intercept, the students plotted again, which is negative 1.717, and they connect these 2 points, which is the graph of a normal student's work, where they need a calculator for sure. What is our coaching? First of all, we make the axis scale value every 5 unit. It's going to be 1 value. Similar way, negative 1 on the x-axis. Similar way, negative 1 on the y-axis being plotted. Now the point is bouncing in the b value, which is negative 705, plotted at the perfect spot. The graph has a slope of negative 9 over 11. From the point 7 over 5 negative, 11 unit run value is going to be the left side. From the left, there's 9 unit, it's going up again, and we are getting the second perfect point on the graph. Now connecting these 2 points is going to be the perfect graph through our coaching, where students, they don't need calculator for this graph at all. A quick comparison we can have a look at. Student work, x-intercept in decimal y-intercept placed at an estimated spot, x-intercept calculated and plotted again an estimated spot. Slope is not used in this graph. They used calculator. Coordinates are placed at an estimated spot for sure. Finally, an estimated graph is being done by the normal student. However, at coaching, y-intercept in fraction, therefore it is a perfect value is being plotted. As I mentioned, y-intercept placed at an exact spot. X-intercept not used. Rather, slope is used in fraction format. No use of calculator for this graph. Coordinates are placed at an exact spot. A perfect graph is being done through our coaching. I hope this comparison makes a lot of sense for each and everyone, understanding how a normal students can improve their skills so that they can make 90s and above, no question. Thank you for watching. I'm Shiva Sharma. You can watch more techniques on YouTube throughout our Math Made Easy channel. Thanks again for watching the comparison.